how to power off an Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to power off your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. And here, if your phone opens the Google Assistant instead, you can press and hold the power and volume up buttons together for a few seconds. And now here, once the menu appears, you can just tap on power off and confirm by tapping on power off button again. And if prompted, you just have to wait for a few seconds, and after that, your phone will shut down completely. And that's it. That's how you can power off your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.